The Order of Distinction in the rank of officer has been conferred upon Mr. Ricardo Bibi Gardner in recognition of his outstanding contribution to sports, particularly football.
Ricardo Bibi Gardner began his professional career at the age of 14 with Harbourview Football Club in Jamaica's National Premier League. He rose to international prominence during Jamaica's qualification campaign for the 1998 FIFA World Cup. He assisted on Jamaica's first ever World Cup goal.
From the football field in Harbourview to the world-class pitches of England's Premier League, Ricardo Bibi Gardner's journey, marked by raw talent, discipline, and quiet determination, perfectly mirrors the enduring spirit of Jamaican football.
So it would have been back then in about 91 when the then under 14 team was in preparation. And I would have asked his brother, Roger Bancroft, we call him Jupsy, to ask Ricardo, who would probably have exhibited some footballing skills whenever I visited his house. What impressed me then was his athleticism, something which is an essential ingredient in playing.
Oh, he was an outstanding young player. He was very fast, first of all, and had complete control of the ball, ready control of the ball. At any pace, you look for that. So he was always very impressive as a player, even at that early age.
Very easy to coach, very easy to communicate with, and very good with his teammates to get along with at the same time. And I think his spirit, what he brought to the team, he brought a level of togetherness that enabled all of the teams that he played on as a youth to be champions.
As Harbourview rose through the ranks, Bibi became their heartbeat.
Bibi came to the national program somewhere, I think in 95, coming out of Woolmer's and Harbourview. I think he was 16, 17 at that time. And Simoy spotted him, liked the talent and brought him in. And he then became a regular member of the squad. Played a lot of games for the Reggae Boys during the campaign. Was the youngest player in the squad. It did not faze him. You could see his confidence, regardless of his age, that he was up to the challenge. Enormously talented youngster.
Lead down the left side for Ricardo Gardner. He's got Whitmore and Hall coming down the middle, looking in front. Oh, just off stride for Theodore Whitmore. This is a dangerous Jamaican team.
Bibi was silky smooth down the left flank. He played left back for us for the national program. That was his main position.
His ability to cross, his ability to dribble at speed, his ability, well, over time he would have acquired a shot in his foot, so he would have scored a couple goals.
So when we qualified for the World Cup in France, and our first game was against Croatia. And I think it was that game that, I know he was being scouted, but I think in that game was when he cemented himself as quality, not to be ignored, and that could play in the English Premier League.
Well, this guy is 19 years old. Bibi Gardner, they call him because he's sort of the baby.
So in 2012, we were going to the Caribbean Cup, and Coach Whitmore invited Bibi to rejoin the squad because he thought Bibi's experience and knowledge and know-how would have strengthened the unit going into Antigua for that Caribbean Cup. So we brought him in to strengthen that, and his impact on the players was incredible, his cooperation with the coaching staff. And then he and Theodore would have had a working relationship and a player relationship because both were legends of the 98 team.
From the sunshine of Jamaica to the chill of England, our virtual journey links us with the baller himself, Ricardo Bibi Gardner. For Bibi, the game was not about fame. It was about family, pride, and wearing the Jamaican colors with honor.
It was an honor for me, to be honest with you. Always representing your country, it's an honor. We wear the shirt with pride. We meet lifetime friends. It's a dream come true for any youngster growing up. To always representing the country, you know what I mean? And we had a great time together, creating history for not only Jamaica, but the Caribbean, first English country to ever qualify for the World Cup. So being a part of that was amazing. My most memorable moment is playing against Argentina.
This is Beron. That's a lovely ball. Ortega scores a beautiful goal. Quality all through ball, and it was first time here or nothing, and it proved to be everything.
Growing up, I was a massive fan of Diego Maradona, and I grew up watching Argentina always in the World Cup. You know what I mean? So to be there playing against Argentina, representing your country, wearing the Jamaican colors on the biggest stage of football, that was quite an amazing moment and memorable moment for me in my career and journey.
From the lanes of Harbour View to the lights of Lyon, Ricardo Bibi Gardner carried Jamaica's hopes on his back and showed the world what true Jamaican excellence looks like.